Okay, today is October 24th, 2017, and right now at 10:15 a.m. We have a temperature of 88 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. The relative humidity is about 17%, and the barometer is at 30.13 inches. Right now we're looking at the western U.S. water vapor loop, and we see that an opportunity for rain is moving right towards California, central and southern California. And what do we see here but a area of high pressure being installed right here? We can actually see the bow in this moisture field right here as this descending air intensifies, and that is causing all this moisture to wrap around and move to the north. So instead of having cooler, damp conditions and possibly some rain, we're going to see 103 to 105 degree temperatures again today. Let's look at a Doppler map, a screenshot taken just about a half hour ago, not even 30 minutes ago. We can see that right off of Southern California, we actually had some rain, and we see what the result of that right here. We see these stripes. These are the remnants of precipitation offshore of Los Angeles. And we see that this is the result of a Doppler, NEXRAD Doppler radar. These NEXRADs actually chop up and evaporate the rain pattern, and we can see that right here. So there was some rain offshore of California right here. This is the evidence. This was snapped at 9:51 this morning. All right. So that is further evidence of this criminal weather manipulation activity. These NEXRAD Doppler radars work dual function. They are severe weather detection radars, as well as working to chop up and evaporate precipitation. And that's what we're seeing here. Also, let's take a quick look at the Hawaiian map this morning. This was also taken right around the same time. We can see that there's a Doppler, NEXRAD Doppler right here on the Big Island, which has carved a large cutout in the precipitation out there. Okay, so let's go back to the maps, and we'll take a look at what's going on here. Let's go ahead and refresh this. It's not working. Okay, all these are frozen suddenly. All right, let's take a look at the southwest water vapor loop, and we can see that bow in the moisture field. There's an effort by these terrorists controlling our weather to push this rainy weather away, to maintain high temperature conditions in the Southern California area. Let's look at the big map, which is frozen currently. Let's see if we can get that working. Okay, here we go. All right, so we can see what's happening right here, right over Southern California. There's that bow. We have some severe weather over the Hawaiian Islands as this developing storm moves moisture around the jet stream. This is the jet stream flow right here, which is moving into Canada. And Hawaii is getting some rain. Here's the western U.S. water vapor loop. We can see that ridge right here, which is redirecting the jet stream. So nobody on television is talking about this. This is the only reason we're having hot weather. This weather we're having is manufactured. The winds are the winds are manufactured. These so-called Santa Ana winds are completely manufactured. We can see that if this high pressure was not here, we'd have tropical flow moving right into California and dumping rain, which we really need. In fact, Southern California is still suffering from severe drought conditions. That's not the case in Northern California, but down here in Southern California and Arizona, we have drought conditions, and trees are dying, and plants are dying. And we're talking about old growth pines, and lots of different kinds of trees are dying off. Okay, and we see this developing storm up here moving down near the Aleutian Islands. So there it is. Nobody on television will show this evidence right here. Okay, that's it.